Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a beautiful hair growth spray you can use for your hair on your hair with hibiscus and fenugreek. Yes, this is how thick my hair has become. If you see my old videos, you'll be so amazed. If you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe. So this is just a video of my business, and I sell hair oil, and I just wanted to show you how it has thickened my hair. Now let's get straight into the video. This is me making hibiscus and fenugreek tea. Why am I making this combo? Hibiscus and fenugreek to me are some things you can use on your hair to promote hair growth. They are my main uses. They are my main uses. Even though there are several other benefits, these hair growth benefit is why I usually like to use it so much. So I'm using about 2 tablespoons of hibiscus and then 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Yes, and this is me just playing around with it, and because I've been infusing it with water, I'm going to call it hibiscus and fenugreek hair growth spray. They actually work. Hibiscus is something you can use to regrow your bald spot. At the end of this video, if you finish watching this video, you know the importance of hibiscus for the hair and also the importance of fenugreek for the hair. The bottom line is both of them are able to promote hair growth. Yes, so once you get this ready, you have to transfer these herbs into your container. Yes, something that you can put hot water into it. For me, that is how I like to make my sprays. I don't like to boil them because I'm usually in a hurry to do something else, so I just get them into a container like what you see. This is a glass container, so it wouldn't break or burst or melt or anything. It would just keep it hot until the nutrients in the hibiscus and fenugreek are well steeped into the water. Yes, guys, this is very simple to make. I don't want any excuse that I don't have time. Please, you have all the time in the world. You have all the time in this world. If you want to make time to make it, you can actually make time. So when I transferred it into the bottle, I then added hot water, boiling water. I used water from the kettle. I boiled it till it's finished boiling, so like 100 degrees, and then I poured it into this. That is the whole concept, so that it's infused into the water, because that is what I will be using. Yeah, be careful when you're using hot water. This is natural, general precautions. You should take your general precautions so that you don't burn yourself in the process. Once you leave the water into it, you ask me that what's the quantity of water you should use. It definitely depends on you. If you want something very much, you need to use a lot, but which I don't recommend, because I don't want you leaving this in the fridge or anything. Just use enough so that you can use it for a week or so. So even if you store it in the fridge, it wouldn't last too long in the fridge. Yeah. So I covered it and then allowed it to steep for 15 minutes, and then came back and then strained the whole thing. Yeah. So this is the straining process. I just poured it into a container like this, and you are good to go. It's so simple, guys. If you can't do this, I'll come to your house and spank you. Yeah, so it's so simple to make. You could tell that the fenugreek has also taken the color of the hibiscus, which is very natural. So now this is the application process, guys. You know about my edges and the story of my edges. Ha ha ha. But then trust me, it's a work in progress. It's better to work towards it than just leave it like that. So this is my hibiscus and fenugreek spray, and then my homemade hair oil, which I have videos here on this page. This is my hair, my bald spot. I just didn't know it had reappeared. I had this bald spot a while ago, and I used onion juice consistently, and my hair started growing back. I didn't even know it had reappeared until I was dealing with my hair. But then, trust me, with the presence of herbs, I'm very confident that it can regrow. Yes. So, as I said, that I'm focusing on my edges. Can you see how my edges is? Like, it's an eyesore. It's really an eyesore. But anyway, I'm someone who has hope. If there's something in this world that you can always call me and I'll give you, is hope. So long as there's life, there's hope. Even if there's no hope, I'll make sure that I have this little hope within me. Yeah, so the whole point of this video, I don't want to unravel my hair, so I just apply it onto the hair singularly, and then use the oil to, moisten it a bit, like to penetrate it a bit, without necessarily unraveling my braids or my twist. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Yes. So but it's very very optional. If you want to unravel your braids, you can just do that. So the video by it is my hair. Like, I didn't know my hair had thickened this much until I took a video of my back. I usually look at my front, and of course it's giving natural general hair, but until I took a video of my back, I was so impressed. I was very 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 happy at the results. When I say happy at the results, I was so excited about the results, and I think that I'll keep doing what I have been doing, using herbs on my hair and all that. Now let's talk about the benefits of hibiscus and benefits of fenugreek. Hibiscus in general, for me, it's a natural hair growth booster. See, if you use hibiscus, it will grow your hair. It will grow your hair, whether in oil, in mask, in sprays, it will grow your hair. It's able to stimulate scalp blood circulation on the scalp. And if you know that blood circulation promotes hair growth. If there's no correct circulation on your scalp, your growth will be very very slow and very very dormant, and we don't want that. We want the hair growth to be fast. If you see my facial reaction, you tell how happy I was with how my hair was feeling. My hair was feeling so good. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. My hair felt so good after I just sprayed the hibiscus and then the fenugreek spray on it, and then I sealed in with more with hair oil. So yes, hibiscus is also something you can help to regrow bald spots. As I mentioned earlier, you can use it to revive dormant hair follicles, like my edges that is very very dormant. Yes, just use it to revive dormant hair follicles, and it's going to grow back for you. For me, hibiscus is something I'll always use. And imagine if you be on this page, I'm telling you that if you have dandruff, fenugreek is your best bet. Use fenugreek consistently because of the antioxidant and antibacterial properties in fenugreek. They are able to combat dandruff so well, like so well. You have to be consistent in using them, and you'll be amazed at the results that it gives you at the end of the day. Like, you'll be so amazed that a simple herb like fenugreek, such a small seed like fenugreek, is able to do this for me. Yes, it's going to do wonders for you if you use it consistently. Yeah. Why am I sealing in moisture? Fenugreek, on the other hand, will dry your hair. It will dry your hair if you don't seal in moisture. It's high in protein, so if you don't seal in moisture after applying it, you notice that your hair becomes so dry even after you've moisturized it. Yes, so I don't want you to go through that mess. That's why I'm teaching you that when you finish applying the spray, you have to go in with your hair oil or your hair butter in order to seal in the moisture. When I'm applying this spray, I usually apply it on my scalp and then the hair strands itself, because the nutrients are also very important for the scalp. It's not just for the hair strands. So apply it on your scalp and then your hair strands itself. And also, depending on what you're looking for. If you just want to moisturize your hair, just go ahead and spray it on your hair. But if you are targeting something particularly, especially on your scalp, then I say that you should go to your scalp. I mean, apply it on your scalp directly, massage it in, because massaging is what penetrates the nutrients in the product in the spray onto the hair follicles. Yeah, so massaging is very very important. I always urge you all to massage your hair at least 5 minutes. I mean, at most 5 minutes a day, at least 2 minutes a day, and you're going to notice significant growth in your hair journey. So guys, this is what brings me to the end of the video of showing you how I make my fenugreek and hibiscus spray. And I also advise that you also make some yourself and then use it on your hair consistently. You're going to notice that your hair will thicken up for you. Your hair will have less issues like hair breakage and all that. It will grow very well for you to your satisfaction. Let me know if you have any comments. Let me know in the comment section, because after all, you are the reason why I'm here and I want to serve you. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions for me so that I answer them as and when. I mean, I'm always very happy to answer your questions. If this is the first time you are seeing my face and I have inspired you in a way, do well to hit the subscribe button, because I always give you hair tips that you can use on your hair. In the subsequent weeks, I'll be giving you onion juice and scalp issues that you can deal with. Bye!